You disgusting capitalist heroes.
Okay.
This is Expert Perspective by Martin Goblock Company. It's daily, so subscribe if you like it. We're not scared of you, so comment if you have something to say. We like you. Are you a liker? Like this episode if you like it and you're a liker.
Welcome.
Influencer marketing. It should be more common than it is. You don't have to pay a Kardashian or a Segura, but you can pay a teacher that got Teacher of the Year to advertise your window cleaning company. You can get a college student to advertise your bar specials for this weekend. And the reason why influencer marketing is so interesting is because it's a lot of work and it costs a lot of money to find the right influencers, develop a relationship with them, and then close a deal with them. But once you do have them and the relationship is good, it is very low cost to reach an audience and in a way that they trust, way better than just a cold ad they see on Google or in the newspaper or hear on the radio. Since it's coming from a person of influence, they're more likely to be receptive to the message. And the message doesn't have to be a sales message. It could be a look at how gross this is message. My friends at Indo Window Washing told me about it. Just thought you guys would be interested. Oh, who is that? They're gonna go check it out. Now at least they've heard of you, or now they're ready to buy something because they already use your vitamins or vitamins. So influencer marketing is still new for some reason, and a lot of people don't do it, but I used it a lot when I was helping promote shows, concerts. Just finding the right person that's at every show and throwing them some money to just mention that they're going to your show. If they're already going, it probably won't cost you that much money. The relationship will be good because you're not spending a lot and they're getting money to do what they already do generally. The most important part about influencer marketing to me is letting the influencer do the ad or the sponsorship their way. If they think it's better to make fun of your brand than it is to do a cold sales pitch on their Instagram, let them do it. When you try to control what they do too much, you're not getting the benefit of their high skill level of engaging with their audience. So let them do whatever they want, even if it means something that is harder to pass with your marketing manager or director, because sure, we don't want them to say that you're pro-Hitler, but if that's funny to their angsty teen audience, it might be good whether you want them to or not. So have a couple rules and guidelines, but the more control you give them, the better it will be and the more they'll enjoy doing it. When someone enjoys their work, like I love being the CEO of the USA, you get way better quality out of them, you get way better return, and that's the cold hard bottom line that you disgusting capitalist heroes are looking for.
Martin's glued coins onto snail mail brochures and managed $250,000 marketing budgets for small businesses. From citrus sellers to surgery centers. He pulls no punches on our website or any of our content when bragging about how to do what we do well. Follow, like, subscribe, or do whatever, wherever you want. We have a podcast, Alexa Flash Briefings, Facebook, TikTok, and all that. And if you decide to partner with us, you know you'll get to relax since we've got that 100% 5-star review and success rate over all the years we've been around. What are you saying there? Martin's glued coins in a snail mail brochure? What does that mean?